Good afternoon, students. Name of the chapter is More About Plants. Chapter 7 and unit is Family and Friends. First of all, we'll do an activity. Activity is to color these plants. How you have to color it? You have to color it accordingly. Big plants green, small ones yellow, and the plants that are climbing on something brown. Now let us start the lesson. There are many different kinds of plants growing around us. Some plants are big and some are small. Now, students, you have to read along with me. Big and small plants. Tall and strong plants are called trees. A tree has a strong main stem called a trunk. As you can see in the picture, each and every tree has a strong main stem. And the tree is standing on that trunk. It has many branches. As you can see, only 2 branches you can see here, 3 branches here. But inside the tree, many branches are there. Most trees live for many years. Some common trees found in India are peepal tree, mango tree, pine tree, coconut tree. Now here, next, some plants are small. They are either shrubs or herbs. Shrubs are small plants with woody stem. They have many branches which grow very close to the ground. Cotton, hibiscus, rose, tulsi and bougainvillea are some commonly found shrubs. So what are shrubs? Shrubs are a kind of plants which has woody stem. Now you all tell me, what is the color of wood? Wood is brown in color. So stems of these plants are little brown in color. So these are the examples. Cotton, hibiscus, rose, tulsi, they comes under this category. They are shrubs grown little close to the ground, and they have a small branches, and their branches are little brown in color. It is woody. Next, herbs are small plants with soft stems. Like grass, spinach, mint and coriander are all herbs. These are the spinach, mint and coriander. Spinach is palak. You have seen your mom chopping palak, chopping spinach very easily. In winters, we generally eat spinach. And mint, in summers, you have seen your mom chopping mint leaf very easily. And even coriander, dhania, you have seen that coriander also can be chopped very easily. Next topic is plants with weak stems. You read about herbs, that herbs have soft stems and can be chopped easily. Now we will read about plants with weak stems. There are some plants like grapevine, peas, beans that have very weak stems. They cannot stand straight. So they can't stand straight. They need some support like walls, sticks, etc. to grow straight. They are known as climbers. So they are known as climbers that will climb either on the wall or on a stick. They need some kind of support to grow up, to climb up. Here are some examples given: grapevine, peas and beans. So you can see in the picture, this is a climber, a pea plant. It bears peas. So the vegetable it bears is peas. So Vegetables a climber bears are not that heavy. They are light in weight. Now next, some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. They are known as creepers. Pumpkin, gourd, melon and muskmelon plants are common creepers. Creepers, you can see here, creepers, they creep along the ground. Why they creep along the ground? Because they bear heavy fruit or heavy vegetable, that is heavy in weight, like pumpkin, watermelon. They are heavier than these climbers. Then grapes or peas or beans. So the creepers bear fruits or vegetables are of heavier in weight. So the difference is clear to you? Thank you, students. Students, now we will read about parts of a plant. A plant has many parts. The roots grow underground and hold the plant firmly to the ground. Firmly means strongly and tightly. As you can see in this picture, all these are the big trees, big plants, and they all are standing straight. Why? Because their roots are firmly hold